Hi there, my name is David here at the Car Stereo Company. Today we are working on a 2015 Porsch Macan S. The client has requested that we install a blind spot detection system. The system that we are using today is the Riding BSS2. We will also be installing the EchoMaster Pro front parking alert system. The front sensors have been color matched to the vehicle, and the last thing we will be installing is a NAV TV backup camera interface along with a Apple CarPlay interface from GCH. Let's get started.